Today, I'm going to show you how to make elderberry syrup. Elderberry is considered as one of the most healing plants and has been used for centuries. I'm going to explain more about elderberry towards the end of the video, so please stick around. Combine elderberry, ginger, cardamom with water in pot and bring to boil. By the way, there's a link to the recipe in the description box below. Now it just started boiling and it smells so wonderful. The whole apartment is filled with the beautiful aroma of elderberry. Reduce heat and allow to simmer about 30 to 45 minutes. Remove from heat and let steep for 1 hour. Strain berries and herbs using double cheesecloths and squeeze out liquid. Measure how much liquid is produced. In my case, I had 4 cups. We are going to use honey, which is half amount of produced liquid. In my case, I used 2 cups of honey. Place the liquid back into pot. Add honey and stir. Warm up just enough for honey to melt. Remove from heat and allow to cool off completely. You can now bottle in sterilized glass. I highly recommend making elderberry syrup and consume 1 tablespoon or 2 every day to nourish the health. Look, we produced 3 bottles of tasty and nutritious elderberry syrup. Be sure to keep them in a refrigerator. They'll be a great gift for your friends and family as well. Now let's talk about how to take this syrup and health benefit of elderberry, as well as a word of caution about honey. How do I consume elderberry syrup? I like adding a tablespoon of syrup to my tea. Sometimes I drizzle over plant-based yogurt or mix with smoothie. So what are the health benefits of elderberry? The berry is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that helps boost immune system. They could help tame inflammation, lower stress, prevent and ease cold and flu symptoms. Since honey is used as a natural preservative in this recipe, please do not give the syrup to infants under 1 year old. If you have young children, please consult with medical professionals if honey is safe for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the notification button so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks again and hope to see you soon. Take care.